Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about the Acura RDX driving modes. I'll be going over the various driving modes of this 2021 Acura RDX. Okay, I'll be explaining them. As you can see right here, this is the mode selector and it says dynamic mode. Now the word dynamic essentially means changing. So we are changing the driving mode. This is how you operate it. You simply take this knob and you turn it to the right or to the left. Now watch what happens. I'm going to show you all the options and I'll tell you what they mean. Snow mode, comfort mode, sport mode, and Sport Plus. Now let's start off with snow mode, okay? So we go to snow mode. It is essentially going to optimize this for driving in the snow, traction control, the differentiation between the tires, and gripping the road as much as possible in snowy or wet conditions. Very straightforward. The next one we're going to go to is comfort mode. This is basically your all-around balanced driving mode. Most people will drive in comfort mode most of the time. It is designed to give you a comfortable ride and enough power that you're going to have access to, and the engine is also not going to be super loud in that mode. Next, we are going to sport mode. Sport mode allows the car to be as sporty, almost as sporty as possible, I should say. It allows it to be a little bit sporty while still giving you a certain level of sort of like a creature comfort, that, if you will, within the vehicle. So the engine's going to rev a little bit higher for a little bit longer. It's going to just change the way that everything works to make it a little bit more sporty. And last but not least is actually going to be Sport Plus mode, okay? So it works very, very similarly to sport mode, except it allows the car to be even sportier than it was before. It's going to make it as sporty as possible. It's going to reduce the level of comfort substantially, but it will make it as sporty as possible, okay? So very simple. Those are the modes and sort of how they work. They're really easy to understand and operate. And I just want to make it clear, it's not that you're necessarily getting more horsepower in the Sport or Sport Plus modes. You're just getting easier access to the horsepower that you already have for the most part. That's it. Those are the Acura RDX dynamic driving modes. I just wanted to explain them in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.